Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Next.js. Today we are going to learn about the Todo app in Firebase in Next.js. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here I have created in the app folder Todo. Okay, then we have a page.tsx. Let's go for the demo first. Okay, so here we have the let's add the Todo. Okay, so here we have the to do part. So let's first, I have already added the to do. Let's add the complete Excel sheet. This is our to do, so I'm adding that to do. Okay, if I go to the Firebase and go to the Firestore database, okay, so here we have a collections, then we have a to do's. Okay, we have a two to do's, right? So complete Excel sheet currently I have added, right? And if I go over here and mark this completed like this over here, you can see it's completed. If I go over here, you can see that completed true. If I go and add any of the to do next, complete Node.js project, Node.js. Okay, let's add this to do, right? If I go to this one, here you can see three to dos are there. Complete Node.js and completed is false. Let's make it completed, and here you can see it is updated, right? So this is the to do that we are already working. Let's dive into the code level how I have done this. Okay. So here what I have done, so this is the main thing, that is to do page.tsx, and I have created the component folder with the to do form and the to do list, and I have imported over here, right? So the components, if I go over here, I have created the components. Then we have a to do form. Okay, so here you can see that the input with the button click add to do. Okay, correct. Next, when I click on the handle to do, it will go over here. So whatever the to, if the to do not equal to empty, then we are going to the collection of the to do's and add doc with the reference and complete it to be the false, and the to do whatever I have added the name over here and make it blank. If something goes wrong, it will go that error adding the document error dot message. Okay, this is very simple. Okay, so you have to import the db from the Firebase to do. So here we have the another thing, that is Firebase store. Same credentials you have to add. Okay, and if you don't know how to get these credentials, you have to go to the project settings. Okay, project settings, and here if you created the web app, then definitely it will show the credentials over here. If you are not creating that web app, then you have to create that one. Go to the project. Here we have the apps. You need to go with the add app, and here you go with the web app. Register your app. After completing all the steps, you are able to get the credentials over here. Okay, let's move to the next one. So here we are using the DB, get file store app DB. So previous it's storage, now it's DB. Okay, done. Moving to the next one, the here we have a to do form which is completed. Okay, right now move to the to do list where we are fetching the data. So here we have the React use effect and the use state from the React. On snapshot, this is all from the Firebase store. This is DB part. Okay, so here we have a to-do list, right? So these are the states. When there is a handle checkbox, when I click on the checkbox, so it will change the completed one. Or you can see that when we go over here, right? So there is a completed field, right? True or false. So here you can see the to-dos. Here you can see completed true or false. So this is the handle checkbox behave like this. So when I click on the input checkbox, handle checkbox, so this is the rendering part. Okay, to do's. First we are fetching the to do's, all of this li to do. Okay, here you can see that to do dot text, and with that one we have an input box. Okay, here you can see that we have an input box, right? And when I click on the handle checkbox to make it completed. Okay, so to do id I need. Okay, then await get doc. If the to do exists, then we are going to mark it completed. Okay, whatever would be the result over here, we are make it reverse of that one. Okay, update the doc with the completed update completed state. Okay, else to do with id does not exist, and if something goes wrong, it will go to the catch block that error updating the document. Okay, in the use effect, we are fetching all the to do's. Snapshot, to do ref, snapshot, we are mapping this one, and okay, and whatever the to do we have, just we are set into the state of to do's. Okay, then return clean up the subscription when the component unmounts. Okay, so this is that one. So this is the full-fledged code, and after this one we are just import this in our main page, that is to do. Okay, to do app, to do form, and the to do list. After doing this, you are able to do or create a to do app with the Firebase in the Next.js. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.